And we have 3 custom flip face or revolving faces for Oliver. Tomy. Let's see how these faces look. Let me know the expressions because I don't remember. I just tried to 3D print the revolving faces or flip faces for Oliver, which will make a good custom interchangeable, maybe, or flip face for Oliver. I think that, yeah, none of these expressions are the same. I tried to recreate based on the original pictures or behind the scenes of Oliver. I think that one is from Caroline, I think. What do you think about these faces? Prototypes. Yeah, they look good. Looking awesome.